Uh, 1 derajat Celcius. Wow. Derajat.
Okay, so our first micro teaching session. Best of luck, gentlemen. Ready, steady, go.
Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good.
You look fresh.
Thank you.
Okay. Today we will begin the lessons about basic fashion design.
All right. Before we begin, I'll give you and show you different things.
And while Mr. Eka give you that thing,
Yeah.
I will show you the picture of this.
There we go. But I will go to the every single group. Please pick one. Okay. There we go. And of course you have the last one. Could you please hold it? Hold it.
Everyone?
No, only one person. Okay, hold it and show it to us. All right, cool. What do you feel? Cold, hot? What do you feel?
Hot.
Metal, hot. Okay, what do you think about this? Can people make this or machine can make it?
Machine.
Machine.
On the old at the old days, people.
There we go. Both people and machine could make it. All right. For today, we will learn specifically and further about the metal tools.
What about the picture on the
Yes.
screen?
Yeah.
Have you any comment about the picture on the screen? Have you familiar with
Parts?
or
Parts
Yeah.
apa yang-
Can you mention?
Some of them we are
Spare
familiar.
part
Yeah.
of machine.
Like what? Maybe. Yeah.
Agency in the airport.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
like
yes.
to.
Anyone? The other? Maybe door handle. Yeah.
Yeah,
that's a door handle.
Yeah. It's like
Cool. Good. Yeah.
Yes. What's the familiar thing that you recognize from this picture?
made from metal.
Yes.
Yes.
So,
Okay.
made from,
Good.
I don't know, made metal or iron.
Yes. Very good. Metal and then?
It should be
Others?
arranged. It should be, or is it installed? Yeah, to make a
Yeah.
kind of.
Very cool. Good answer.
Machine product.
Machine product. Okay. Good.
It's
They
only
have
part.
a specific designs for every part.
Yeah. Of course.
And one cannot work without the others.
Yes. Of course. What missing is what? Yes.
The shape is plate.
Yeah. That's correct.
There we go. Thank you. You guys great.
Yes. This is made from a sheet metal plate. The thickness is thin. Yeah. Every product is thin. Yeah. That is the real thing. Well, we forgot about this picture, and then we move to our animation. Okay. So you see, we cannot make it first, and we must.
You can play it. Pak.
Yeah. No, we must out first to play it.
Okay.
Sorry. I have this in my micro teaching one. This one.
There
Okay.
we go.
Here we go. So, the upper one is the front side view,
Yeah.
and the bottom one is the upper side view.
Okay.
Okay, so you can look at and have any comment about this?
Can you analyze it,
Yes.
guys? Yes.
Yes,
decided.
Mr.
So
Adi.
that machine is like working by itself, or someone has to like touch the button and works for
Okay.
it.
So,
Good question. All right, Mr. Yassin.
So you have experience about this, yeah? Maybe you have watch or maybe watch some movies or anything. Okay. So in this movie, in this animation, we see that the final product is here. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you guess what is it?
Glass?
This the
Yes.
word can.
Yes.
This can
Like
opener.
the can
Yeah.
opener.
Fatma, can you hold it?
That one.
Oh.
Yes.
Yeah.
That
Can
one.
opener or bottle opener?
Yeah.
Yes, the bottle opener.
Cool.
Okay. Yes, cool. The bottle opener have 1,000 or millions number. around the world, not only one on 22. Yeah. So if we make it manually, then I don't know. How we
Yeah.
make
So
it.
back to your statement before, my question was like, can this metal can be made by people and machine? The answer is yes, machine and people.
Yes.
However, nowadays there's going to be a mass production, so machine is needed, right? So press tool machine is needed. That's going to be a totally important when we understand and how to use the press
So,
machine tool. Go ahead.
based on this animation, we can see that to make this product, we must follow the step from beginning until the final step. So, can anyone guess how many steps? Yes? Can
How
anyone
many
guess how many steps?
One.
No,
Please?
it's not one.
One.
That's
I
one.
think,
Yeah.
I think
Mona.
first you put the plate and then there is like a template and then the machine press the button, so 3, and then you push the button and cut it, so 4. I think 4.
Okay.
Let's go.
That's the fourth step. Which is the first, yeah? This is still running. But when you see at the beginning, let's wait for a while. Now, that's the beginning. This is the step 1. Step 1, and then move forward to go to step 2, and then move forward again to step 3.
Okay.
Yes, and the final step is
What's that?
to produce the product. Yes. So these two need for process or for step to make this product. Okay. There we go.
Yes.
So we can continue
Go ahead,
to our
please.
presentation. Okay. Okay. From what we say, what we see, and what we learned before. So sorry. Sorry. Okay.
What is press tool?
Anyone can tell you the
Analyze,
definition of what the
answer.
press tool. Based on what we
It's a tool or a machine that can press something.
Yes.
So you mean
Yeah.
yeah. So then it can the thing can has a new shape.
You say yes. There we
Good.
go.
Maybe Adit can
But
add
it's
It's
something.
almost the same.
Almost the same.
Almost the same. There's raw materials, and you have like pressing mechanisms, and it press the raw
Yes,
materials. It can be cutting, it can be like drilling or anything.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone?
Press tool is a tool to press metal especially
Mental, especially.
Metal
Yes.
with
with design on it.
Plate.
yeah,
Plate.
tin.
Okay.
Yeah, plate metal. And we can have those kind of from
The teaspoon, for example. Yeah.
because it tumbles.
Yes,
easily.
Mona.
Yes, Mona.
Yeah, Mr. Yasin, I have a question. Why it has to be thin? You mentioned thin all the time. Why it has to be a thin layer? Why not? If I say like a big plate,
Okay.
can we still make using?
Okay, I try to answer that because we need a press machine to produce the product, and a press machine has a capacity. Yes, it's limited for the capacity. Maybe we have 10,000 ton, the maximum capacity of 10,000 ton. So we have to calculate how is the maximum thickness
Of the
can be produced
of the metal.
with this press machine.
Yes.
Okay, so it's,
Yes.
if the capacity is
Yes,
raised,
yes,
you can
of course.
make the thickness higher.
Yes,
Oh.
the bigger size of the product, so the maximum capacity is more.
Yeah.
more higher.
Cool.
Like that.
Good question.
Sir, I
Mona.
have a similar question to Mona. How thin it is? You call it thin.
Okay. Basically, the sheet metal is produced with what do we call it? We process it in a factory. So we press it and we roll it.
Okay.
Yes, we press it and we roll it. So the roll is getting closer. So we have the thickness. So yeah, so yes, the
Maybe they ask the millimeters or
yeah
how many
maybe
centimeters. A couple of less than
the ability
one
of
centimeter.
the roller to
Yeah.
make it
Yeah.
thin before it is.
So it depends
Yeah,
on
it
what
depends
the
on-
industry wants.
There we
Yes.
go.
What
Or
they
can I
need.
say the thinner is the better?
Not exactly.
It
because-
depends on the product.
Yes, Because if it is thinner, then when we form it, it can be scratched.
Yeah.
Yes, it can be scratched or it will be cracked. Yes, it won't be a product. So let me show the answer of this. Okay. The thing is I can explain it.
Yeah, of course. When we know about the press tools, it is going to be a tools. Just divide the machine and the tools. Machine is the big one. The tools, it can be form the metals. And when it is when it forms the metals, that's going to be the press tools. Okay, and just divide or just differentiate, distinguish between the metal, between the machine and the press tool. That's going to be totally different. All right, go ahead.
And the key word is like mass product.
There we go.
Yeah, mass product is the number of products is.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the key word. Yes,
Sorry.
please.
I have a little question. So, if you have, we have like a raw material like this,
Yes.
and we make like a spoon out of this raw material.
Yes.
What will happen to the remaining like materials?
Yes.
Do you have? Can you like recycle it or?
Yeah, there are in factory that recycle the scrap. You mean the scrap, yeah? The scrap we send it to the factory and they melt it again.
Yeah.
Yes, and then make it sheet metal again.
So we can
Yeah.
use every single part of
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Mr. Derek?
I have a question, sir. I'm curious about my pen.
Yes.
So this is from metal, right?
Yeah.
So it's shaped by using press tool.
Yes, of course. Sometimes.
Based on the thickness, if it has a similar thickness, so you can call it made by press tool. But if it has different thickness, I think it's with a spinning method. Yes, a spinning method, you know.
Yeah.
So when you have a bar, then you spin it, then spin, then you make a hole. Then you have.
So there's
Yes.
a different.
No every metal thing use press.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Mr. Ali.
And other questions. If you like cut it, you have like sharp edge here. How can you like? remove
Good question.
There we go.
So, I think I should talk it later maybe, but when you ask, I will answer it. There's one process we call it shape.
Shaping.
Yes, shaping process.
Okay.
Shaping process is like we have a very little clearance within the, we call it punch and dice, the upper cutter and the lower cutter. There's a very little clearance, so we call it bore. Bore side is no longer sharp. Yes, we call it a shaping process. But we can talk it later in the next chapter. Okay.
Pak Yasin, could you do me a favor? Let's go to our game.
Okay.
The 3 pictures. Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no, before that,
Okay.
I will have example.
All right. Okay.
Yeah, we have example from the car. Okay. The wheel car, the brake system car, have this product. So, can you imagine? You can only use the car, but you can imagine how we make this. Okay. So now you know how we make this. Yes.
Using
We
press tool,
use,
yeah?
yes, we use a lot of process to make it.
Sir,
Yes?
is it only for Toyota or the other?
No. Every
All
car.
of course.
Yes. Maybe we must.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We forgot to put the Toyota dust.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
This one.
Okay.
You should
Okay,
use it.
thank you. Yeah. Until now we only know how to use it.
Yes.
Yes. But we do not know how to make it. So maybe now you have open mind.
So not only the brake part, for example, like the doors,
Yes.
the doors and the handles.
Yes, of course.
As long as the ingredients is made by metal, it needs press tool.
Okay. So we let.
Second.
Okay. This is.
There we go. 30 seconds from now. No, I will reduce it. 15 seconds. 1. The direction is please.
What is
This
the
is going to be the
consequences
process,
of steps?
and then which one is the first, the second, and the third process, or even from the beginning until the result of the
Anyone?
form product.
15
1,
seconds.
2, 3,
Discussing it group.
4,
Yes, yes. Please discuss.
5, yes please, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
Maybe it helps if I.
15.
Maybe
Every
it
single
helps.
group has to answer. Go ahead. Yes.
We answer.
Yes.
We answer A, B, and C.
There we go. Okay.
That's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.